Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to export QuickBooks report in Excel, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is open your QuickBooks online on your export desktop, then log into your account using your login credentials. So once you are on QuickBooks account, you can do is simply go to the report section from the left side menu where you can find reports. Simply click on reports, where you can find standard reports, custom reports, management reports, and performance center. So from here in the standard reports, you have to put all the standard reports that, for example, if you want this audit log, here are the balance sheet to export. So you have to click on it, and from here you have to save it, like save as, and save it to your custom report. Simply save it, and you can create a group, add it a group here. So simply click on save. Once you have saved it, it will save to custom reports tab. So without saving a report, a standard reports, saving on the custom reports, you won't be able to export it. Or you can also find the management reports here. So if you want to download or export the file, the Excel file of standard reports, so you have to put it on the custom reports. So from here, you have to do is simply click on this drop down button here. So once you have clicked on it, you can find it, you can export it as Excel. So simply click on export. So you can see it has just downloaded XLSX file, that is the Excel sheet here. So if you click on it, it will open the Excel file here in the Excel sheet. So just like this, you can see it is properly organized here in my Excel. Also, you can also download the management report as like the same. Simply click on this drop down button here. But this is the management reports. It actually not sheets. It's not a sheets. If I click on it, then you can see it is like a PDF. All of these are PDF here. You can create a PDF from here like docs. Each and every part is docs here. So this is not sheets. You can add it to your Microsoft Word or the docs or as a PDF. And also the performance center from here. The performance center is not actually any report. It can show you all the analytics from here. So you actually can't export. You can actually export it from here by simply click on export here. Once you find this export button, simply click on export, and it will help you to export this WebP file here that will look like this. So that's how you can easily download each and every report from here and export custom reports on your CSV or the Excel file here. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.